This is new in FoodBytes actually, and that is to give a little bit more of value to the startups by giving them a mentoring session. So we're trying to give them a little bit of help from experts of how to make their business better. So we talk about legal issues, we talk about consumer trends, we talk about finance, we talk about branding. They spend a little bit of time with a few experts that are going to allow them to really have better ideas about how to solve those problems.
This event is really interesting because you get to meet a lot of companies who are bringing innovation to the market, as well as those companies are introduced directly to possible investors. Rabobank does a really good job of filtering out the millions of startup companies and finding brands that are doing everything from addressing food waste to finding the newest, tastiest alternative food items.
These innovators need to know, first of all, that what they're doing matters. Because it does matter. It's important and they need to know it's important. And seeing how many people think it's important, I believe is valuable to them. Second, help them from making mistakes that can get in the way of innovation.
FoodBytes is a great event for Alfrea for a couple of reasons. One is we had a chance to have exposure to both funders as well as other people in coaching us on what we're doing in a startup. We met with someone who deals with consumer research on agriculture, and he gave us some good insights on what he's seeing in the marketplace today.
There's so many unbelievable companies, and it's been an incredible opportunity to be able to work with the companies to help shape their presentations and also to give them great feedback, and we're really excited to see what they come up with today.
The mentoring sessions were useful. I got to learn more about retail-facing companies and branding, how to tell my story, and I appreciated that feedback.
The mentors and the judges have been great at imparting wisdom, so I spent a lot of time with Nick Faraday, who was giving me all kind of market research information that's vital for us to know how we tell our story to potential investors, make people know that we're legitimately following the industry. So it was great to have that resource available to us.
I remember going home at night and just brainstorming around what I had heard from these companies. Really had my wheels turning quite a bit. And so what I think that does is it just creates this momentum for a relationship. If you're not imparting your own ideas, you can also think about other people in your network that you could be connecting them to that can help open doors outside of what expertise we're bringing to the table.
If you're a young company and you're considering applying to FoodBytes, some of the things that you can expect to get out of it: great mentorship, really strong help in learning how to pitch your company and how to answer tough questions, but also you're going to get some exposure out of it that's really going to help grow your business and put it on a different trajectory.